Now, for anybody who's just starting off using SolidWorks for the first time, it may be useful to look at some of the resources that are available within SolidWorks. So for example, if you go over here to the first tab, SolidWorks Resources, click on it and click on the link to Welcome to SolidWorks. Now click on Learn, and this will bring you into a section where there's a whole range of tutorials and training material. So for example, let's say you want to look at the beginner to advanced exercises. If you click in here on the right hand side here, you can see there's a whole range of exercises from getting started, basic techniques, advanced techniques, productivity tools, and so on. So in this case, just say if you wanted to just get started for the first time, if you click on one of the icons here, here's an exercise which takes an hour, and when you click on this, it will, at the bottom of the right hand corner of the screen, you will see the system guides you through the tutorial. So for example, if I click my first part, it tells me what to do, and as I click on the icons here, you should see it coming up on the main document. So over here I have new document. So if I go new document, for example, a new part, okay, and it tells you some other stuff. So if I go to sketching the circle on the next thing, again it shows me what to do here. So if I go to sketch the circle, first click on the extruded boss base. Again, if you're not sure where it is, by clicking on that, it highlights it over here on the left hand corner. So if I click extruded base, it then tells me to pick one of the sketches. So let's say if I pick the front plane here, for example, and then I can draw a circle as it's showing me here. So I draw a circle up over here like this, and then I can extrude or wherever the exercise is going to be. So you can just click, so on the bottom right hand corner here it says next topic, adding the dimensions. So it tells me how to add the dimensions. So if I click here, click on smart dimension over here like this. Oops, sorry, cancel that. So smart dimension, pick here, and in this case it's asking me to put in a value of 128, and then to extrude it. So if I go in here, it's going to extrude it 7 millimeters. So if I go OK, and features extrude 7 millimeters, and away you go. Okay, so it's very useful, and if you want to go back, just click on the back button, or if you want to go forward or print, you can do that as well. So I would recommend you going through these tutorials. There's some good useful exercises there, for example, for the drawing. So if I go to lessons 3 drawing, and this will help you create your 2D drawings for some of the exercises that we'll be doing.